Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back. I hope you are having a fabulous day. This is just a little bit of a bonus video here. It's also a heads up for what is going live on my channel tomorrow, which is a rather substantial summer Scentsy haul. I kind of went a little bit ham on some new things that I was wanting to try. And after watching my bestie Lisa's May Whiff Box video, I had to add the May Whiff Box because you guys, this is a really good one. This particular box is a really good one. If you are new here, I'm actually not a Scentsy consultant myself. I just really love the product. My best friend Lisa Roberry, many of you guys are familiar with her. She is a consultant and I just love supporting her. And she was telling me that this particular box was gonna be really good. And once she actually showed it on our channel, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna need that one. I really think that the Whiff boxes from Scentsy are a great thing, but honestly, I don't order them terribly frequently, but they are a great way to try some products from Scentsy that maybe you hadn't thought about purchasing in the past. So maybe you've never tried the body care, maybe you've never tried their laundry products, maybe you've never tried the hand washes, stuff like that, right? Like these Whiff boxes usually contain kind of a mix of different products from Scentsy, and you know, I love me a good subscription box for sure, and I think this one's really fun, and it does, every time that I try it, usually expose me to something that I haven't tried in the past, and that more times than not, I end up falling in love with. So, Whiff boxes are great. I'm actually thinking about starting to add a Whiff box as my half price item with my club orders instead of doing the Scentsy bricks with my club orders, because the bricks, for whatever reason, I just don't have the best luck with. Now, I'm not talking about the like regular bricks that they release, you know, maybe around the holidays or, you know, other times of the year. I'm talking about specifically the bricks that are made for club orders. I find that those just don't last terribly long for me. So I think I'm gonna switch to the Whiff boxes as my half price items. So anyway, you guys, Lisa said this was a good one. We're gonna go through the May Whiff box together, and then if you are interested in what else I picked up, that video will go live tomorrow. So if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way it should pop up in your subscription feed. All right, let's open this box, you guys. Okay, first of all, we have a little piece of paper here, and this says, "Be kind to yourself." I will. And yeah, it just kind of tells you a little bit about the box on the back. So they say, your May Whiff box has hand-picked products that help you focus on self-care during Mental Health Awareness Month with fragrances to calm, uplift, and renew. Today's priority is you. I love it. It is me. All right, we're gonna get started with the most exciting thing about this particular box, at least for me personally. They included the Scentsy body wash in the fragrance Starburst Sky. Oh my gosh, you guys, this Starburst Sky rocks my world in the bar format. That's how I originally experienced it, is in the, you know, just regular bar. I think Starburst Sky smells extremely similar to one of my beloved perfumes in my perfume collection, the 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods. There's a lot of people that think that this smells like Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. Some people have mentioned Baccarat Rouge 540. I own both of those fragrances as well, but I think this really smells like Vanilla Woods from the 7 Virtues, and I'm so excited to try the body wash. So I'm gonna peel off the little thing here. Sorry, it comes with like a little doodad. I'm so excited to stick my nose in this, and I've never tried the Scentsy like body wash before, so let's do it. Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like the bar, which is great because that means it smells exactly like my favorite perfume. Oh, you guys, this is so nice. It's such a lovely, sophisticated vanilla fragrance. I just adore this one. By the way, if you are hearing some snoring, Alf is of course right by my side here. So if you have your earbuds in and you're hearing some background noise, that's Alf. He's my little black pug. So anyway, guys, yeah, I love this. I love this. And it's 8 ounces, so that's a good amount of product. And I'm very excited to try this out. So this is going in my shower right away. All right, next we have a bar, and this is Jammin' Jubilee. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, this is raspberry. Oh, listen, I'm on a raspberry kick. If you follow my home fragrance content, I just reviewed the Bath & Body Works Raspberry Rosé. I think this smells kind of similar to that. If you like that raspberry rosé, you're gonna enjoy this Jammin' Jubilee. Is this club worthy? This is a delicious raspberry. Oh, it's so sweet. It smells like a raspberry mamba. If you've never had a raspberry mamba, get over to Cost Plus World Market or Amazon, whatever floats your boat, and order the Mamba candies. This is a candy that I grew up with in Germany, but it's available here in the US as well. I typically tend to buy mine at Cost Plus World Market, or I'll just order it on Amazon. It comes in like different flavors. It's kind of like the German version of, what could I equate it to? Like high chews, right? Like different fruit flavored chewy things. So, but the raspberry mamba specifically, this smells almost exactly like that. This is delicious. And I'm gonna need a whole lot more of that, let me tell you. So, yum, yeah. Man, this is paying for itself real quick here. Okay, next we have a hand soap. And I'm really excited to see that they kind of changed the packaging for the hand soap. Man, they make this not easy to get into. This is definitely wrapped well. But the hand soap containers used to really kind of bug me because I felt like they were almost kind of hard to like get the product out of. Like the pumps were just, I don't know, I feel like the pumps needed some work. So this is a more traditional, pardon me while I struggle. Okay, we're just gonna leave that bottom part on there for right now. Honestly, I just wanna smell this. So yeah, the hand soaps seem to have some new containers now. I'm happy to see that. And this is in the fragrance Jammy Time. Lisa, I think, really loves the Jammy Time. I've never tried it. And when I went to go visit her last May, I don't even think that I smelled it in her collection, which is wild. I should have. But let me smell it for the first time now. Oh, that's nice. There's some lavender, and normally I'm not a lavender girl, but there's some other stuff going on here. Are the notes on here? Oh yeah, okay. Freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. Okay, yeah, Freesia, that's what I'm getting. I like that sweet pea too, and it really helps to subdue that lavender a little bit. I know I sound like a weirdo, but like lavender to me is oftentimes very astringent. Like, I don't find it relaxing. When I smell lavender, I just think like, it kind of smells like cleaning products to me. It just smells kind of sharp, astringent. I don't know, I don't normally love it, but this is a really nice fragrance that does have some lavender in it that is actually quite enjoyable. So anyway, where am I gonna put this? Maybe I'll put this in the guest bath. This seems like a nice thing for a guest bathroom. So we'll pop that in there. Okay. This, I'm kind of actually excited about this. I love these kinds of things, and Stella always steals them from me. This is a weighted eye mask. Ooh, I do enjoy eye masks, especially if I'm trying to take a nap during the day. And I love the idea of this one being weighted. Does it have a smell? A lot of times these smell like lavender, but yeah, this has some nice weight to it actually. I don't want to like mess up my makeup, but yeah, like this is, it's got a nice little strap to it. It's definitely weighted. I don't know, do you guys like having pressure around your eye area? I do. I think that feels really nice. And this one is really well constructed. I feel like this is definitely sewn in there well. Definitely gonna have to cut that tag off because that's gonna annoy the crap out of me. But yeah, like it's got a little bit of like Scentsy branding on it over here, but pretty neutral overall. And heck yeah, I'm gonna use this. Self-care time. So far, so good. All right, you guys. These, I believe, are fairly new to Scentsy. These are their body wipes, and this is in the pink pineapple sugar fragrance. Papaya, pink pineapple, and crystallized sugar. So they have a very clear do not flush on here, so don't put these down your toilet. And I think these are definitely specifically for like the body, so to like freshen up throughout the day. Yeah, wipe down your body to refresh and cleanse. No rinse necessary. So let's see what this smells like. Pineapple, it's a little iffy for me, so I really hope this is a pineapple that I like. Otherwise, I'll just give these to Stella. She'll definitely use these during like her summer camps and stuff. So let's go ahead and take that off. You're supposed to toss that, right? Not keep it? Yeah, okay. Tossing it. Hold please. I think I need to like, it's kind of a borderline pineapple. I don't really love pineapple in home fragrance, and I don't always love it in personal fragrance either. And I think in this case, it's pretty sweet. It's a pretty sweet pineapple, but I don't know, it's very pineapple-y. It's a very straightforward pineapple. Listen, if you like pineapple, these are gonna be right up your alley, but I do think that I'll probably pass these along to Stella. I know she will appreciate these, and she'll definitely get some use out of them, but yeah, this is not a scent for me. That's too bad, but that's okay. Still so far so good, because I know my daughter will get some use out of that. All right, the last thing in here is a body cream. I have never tried any of the body creams from Scentsy either, and this is in the scent Water Lily and Bergamot. So bergamot, water lily, and white musk. Bergamot, typically enjoy, so let's see. And we have some more stuff to take off here. All right, let's get this. Oh, I think I need to like, ooh, that kind of smells a little cucumber-y. Hold please. Oh, that's nice. I feel like I smell some cucumber in here. Am I the only one that smells cucumber? Oh, what in here is coming across as cucumber? Maybe water lily? That's not right. Ah, man. Whatever bergamot this is, it's really soft. It's a very pretty scent, but there's a good amount of like musk in here, and my body loves musky scents. Oh, that smells good. This has a nice texture too. Like this isn't, like it's not overly greasy, and it seems to be absorbing pretty well into my hands. I still feel a little bit of like lotioniness right now, but I can feel it like dissipating into my skin. And yeah, oh, that's really nice. This would probably be really nice after shaving my legs. Apply to skin as often as needed, blah, 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 help lock in moisture. Okay, yeah, no fancy directions here, but it's body cream. We all know how to use it. That smells good. Okay, I really like this too. You guys, there are, I would say everything with the exception of the body wipes. And I'm not saying that the body wipes are bad. I think just this particular fragrance maybe isn't to my liking. Maybe I will try the wipes in a different fragrance for myself. I do love stuff like this. I spend quite a bit of time outside in my yard during the summer, and I mean, it gets hot here in Oregon, and so I get pretty sweaty and gross sometimes. So this might be a great way to clean up instead of feeling like I have to come in and take a shower right away, maybe I can just use this to like get to like the end of the day before feeling like I really need to take a shower. Just kind of cleaning up the dirt and stuff off of me. So yeah, I'll try these in a different scent. Let me know if you have a recommendation. But that is the May Whiff Box. And I gotta say, you guys, this is a good box. So I am not due to get my club subscription for another 2 months, I don't think. So when's the next box coming? Is it July? I think it's coming in July. So that ought to be filled with some fun products for that month. So yeah, anyway, did you pick up the May Whiff Box? What are some of your faves from this one? What don't you love? Let me know how you feel about it down below. And if you haven't ordered yours, this is what's in it. So if you're ordering the May box, this is what you can expect. Yeah, I'm excited. So I appreciate you guys being here. And like I said, if you are interested in the rather large Scentsy summer haul tomorrow, make sure you're subscribed. That way it'll pop up in your subscription feed. And I appreciate you guys being here. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Toodaloo.